W with MRMIKE.
Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mike here. Today we are going to learn how to draw the sun. I'm going to show you 4 different ways on how to draw the sun, and we only need 3 basic lines and shapes. A circle, a line, and an arc. Only 3 things, and look at these different suns we're going to draw. Wow, it's brighter in here already. Wait a minute, this is only 3. These are only 3 suns. Well, there's a 4th one, and it's actually the simplest one. I'll show you how it all fits together. To start off, let's draw a circle in the middle of the paper. Just like this. Okay, now that we have our circle, let's use a line and go around the circle. Now, the lines should always point toward the center. This is the center of the circle, okay? So we're gonna have the lines all point toward the center. They can touch the edge of the circle as they go around, okay? So to make it easy to space these out, what I would do is have one line go here, and then we go on the opposite side, and we'll pull this toward the circle, toward the middle, and then we always point toward the middle, just like that. And we'll do another one here, and then another in between those two. Okay, and now you can see that they're all pointing toward the middle, the center of the circle, right there. And you can even add in more if you want. Now you can go around, all the way around, and do it in the center of these 2 lines. Just like that. So now we have one sun. Look at that. There's one version of a sun. Okay, let's see another way to do this. Let's start with our circle again, and we'll make it right here. And this time we're going to use the arc. So we'll start right about here, and we're going to make an arc that goes like this. Okay, and we're going to continue making a pattern of arcs all the same size going around the sun, or around the circle. We're drawing the sun. It won't be a sun until we're done drawing all of these arcs. Okay, now this is important. We want to just finish this up. You can either make 2 arcs, or you can do 1, and if you get to something like this. I'm going to do 1 and make it a wider arc, just like that. So now we have this second way to draw a sun. That is our second version of the sun. Now we're going to learn a 3rd way to draw the sun, and it's similar to the first way we learned. We'll draw a circle, and we'll have lines all pointing toward the center of the circle, but they're not going to touch the edge of the circle. So now they can go like this. Okay, and then we can do another one like this, all pointing toward the center of the circle. And then we can measure the middle between here and here. We'll put another line, and then opposite side, put another line. And what we're doing is we're creating the rays of sunshine coming from the sun. And then we have a 3rd version of a sun. This is the 3rd way how to draw a sun. Now, I know you're wondering, well, what's the 4th way, Mr. Mike? Well, that's the easiest way of all. Draw the 4th way, we can just draw a circle. And that is the easiest way to draw a sun. You don't have to know anything else. You can create a sun just like this. Let's take a look at all of the suns one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 different ways to draw a sun. Great job, everybody. Now remember, subscribe to my channel for more drawing fun. I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. Bye. For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. DRAW with MRMIKE.